Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We're out here in Eustis doing some metal roofs today. This is my little second video. We're doing two actually today, right across the street from one another. Makes the fourth or fifth roof on this street we've done for metal. Having a lot of fun out here. It's been a great place to be. A lot of roofs need replacement. We're getting a lot of referral base. Just thought I'd show you this in progress. We started this morning laying the metal. As you can see, we're using a 24 gauge mill finish standing seam. Beautiful roof. These straight runs look super nice. Really pleased with how they're coming out. Take a look at that. That's doesn't get any nicer than that, guys. Anyway, just wanted you guys to see an in progress of how we're doing on this metal roof. Everybody have a great day. We'll check in here with you a little bit later when we've got a final product. Once again, this is Sean Bennett with XLR8 Roofing. Gotta keep kind to one another.